Hello, this is a quick video on how to take the Holland Code assessment through the link that's provided in your assignment, your fourth quarterly assignment to be exact, for the fourth question. So it really should be self-explanatory, but I'm just going to show it to you really quick. So what I'm doing is I'm going to copy and paste link in any web browser, and you click Take the Quiz. Okay. And I want you to basically read the instructions over here. So each question is an opportunity for you to describe the kinds of things you as a person can do, might like to do, or the action that most fits you. When you have selected all the choices that describe, you click Submit to get your Holland code. And so just go through this. It's really not that long. It's one page. And once you're done, you will click Submit the answers. So right now, for the sake of time, since I'm just demonstrating this, I'm just going to click a few over here. Okay. So pretend as though I just did that correctly. And what it's going to do is that it's going to provide your Holland code over here and the specific numbers over here at the top. So it looks like investigative is highest. That's why I comes first. Second highest is conventional. And the third highest is a tie between realistic and artistic. So a Holland code can be ICA or ICR. At the very bottom is a list of different jobs that have similar Holland codes. I think they give first priority, obviously, to the one to the code that comes first. So most of this is going to start off with the investigative code, and the ones that are highlighted over here in yellow are going to be the ones that have the exact tree item code that is the same as yours. And so what I want you to do is, first of all, list out the 3-letter code assigned to you, and just so that I know what that is. And then out of the list of jobs recommended to you based on the Holland code, which is basically all of these jobs over here, I want you to just pick three recommended jobs that you think appeals to you. And for each of those 3, I want you to write 2 tasks, 2 knowledge points, 2 work activities, and 2 work styles associated with this job. So let's say I pick this one. And sometimes you may not have a job that corresponds to your 3-letter Holland code. You don't have to pick the one that best fits you based on the algorithm over here. Just pick 3 jobs that stands out to you based on the list of jobs that was tabulated for you. So what do I mean by tasks, knowledge points, work activities, and work styles? Well, it's pretty easy. The task is this one. So if I click on this, it'll bring me to this section of the page, and I want you to just write 2 that stands out to you. 2 knowledge points are going to be knowledge, right here. 2 work activities are going to be work activities, right here. And 2 work styles. 2 work styles are going to be right here. Okay. Okay. Once you're done with that, once you've listed out all the 3 jobs with their corresponding tasks and knowledge points and work activities and your work styles, I want you to, in section B over here, rank each job according to how good a fit you believe it would be for you. And then according to Richard Nelson Bowles, which is in your chapter, how should you interpret the results of this test? There are some guidelines that are described in there. I want you to basically integrate what he says about interpreting these results, how to use these results, and kind of summarize how you should probably make sense of these results over here. So that is it, and that is how you complete question 4 in your 4th quarterly assignment. Let me know if you have questions, and have fun with this.